chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Lydia visiting us all the way from New York City down here to Houston. She is a Marine Corps veteran of 6 years, and I want to thank you for your service, by the way.
You're very welcome.
We take care of a lot of veterans here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, and she saw that on YouTube and decided to come down here. This is her first visit here. I've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation, but we're going to take through a couple of the high points of it. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, please. And she's got a little bit of limited range of motion in cervical flexion and extension, then back to neutral. And her head's a little forward and rotated to the right of center, which that's how she's been sleeping. And her pelvis is shifted left of center line just a little bit. She's got a little more room over here on the right than no room over here on the left. Okay, so we're going to show you a couple of the high points here. Let's sit right here for me, Lydia. So, when I did this, does that hurt anywhere?
No.
Okay, so she has negative foramen compression. How about this side?
No.
Negative maximum foramen compression, that
No.
side. Negative maximum foramen compression on the left. We did a lateral flexion here, and there was no tightness or pain, right?
No.
But when I did this, you said it hurt over here.
Yes.
Does it still hurt over there?
A little bit.
Okay, and how about when you go this way, does that tighten up at all?
No.
Okay, so it's lateral flexion. This is shoulder depressor. Does that hurt anywhere?
No.
Okay, now here's the test that tells the difference. I'm going to lift straight up on her occiput. Does that feel better, same, or worse?
That feels better. That feels better.
Okay, good. That's a positive decompression test. Now I'm going to push down, resist. She's got good muscle strength on both sides. And her reflexes were +2 equal and active. I'm not going to do those again. Let's go ahead and lay you on your tummy.
Okay.
Where I checked her reflexes, upper and lower, and muscle strength, and she's good on all that. Her right leg is shorter by about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Now when I bring her legs up, however, it tightens up in her lower back and pelvis right there, and probably a little bit in her thighs.
Yes.
And you can see how her right SI joint's sticking off the table a little higher than the left one. Is that a little more tender right there?
Yes, it is.
Yep, and then there's L5, that's really sore.
Yes. Yes.
L4, this sore, L3 sore.
Yes.
All the way up into here where you didn't realize you had one so bad out
Yes.
right there.
Yes.
And then right here at T5, 6, she's got muscle bundles in her trapezius and levator scapula muscles. C5, 6, and 7 palpating body right, and that's probably tender touch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to get started on her first adjustment here. She's had chiropractic care from 2 separate chiropractors up in New York. So this is not her first adjustment completely, but her first adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. Now I'm going to adjust L5. This will be a little sore at first. Right there.
Okay.
There. There's L3. L2. Okay, just keep breathing. There you go. Atta girl. Yes, ma'am. We got one more right here. Yep. There. Get this SI joint again. That's it. Okay, now just relax your head and neck. You're going to feel your head popping up a little bit.
Okay.
I'm going to adjust C3, 4. And then I'm down now at C5, 6. And now I'm going a little lower down C7. Right there. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, slide down this way a tiny bit. There you
Okay.
go. Good. And you'll feel your head popping up. I'm going to bring your head up and back over your shoulders where it's supposed to be. Good. Yep. And now let's slide you down a little bit more. And put your arms straight out to the sides, palms up. I'm going to adjust your shoulders, your clavicles here, and then your into your rib cage. Good. Now you can relax your hands on your tummy there.
Okay.
And just let me have your leg.
Okay.
And let it go limp. You should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your low back.
Made me laugh.
You can't get out here without me pulling your leg and shooting you. There you go. Good job. Okay, let's sit you up, face that
I
away.
was going to start laughing.
Better be laughing than crying, huh, Joseph?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, that right shoulder.
Wow. I heard
Noisy,
that
noisy
one.
all over. There we go. Good
Yeah.
job. We do full body adjustments here, as you probably saw in our
Yeah, I
YouTube videos.
did.
Her wrist,
Wow, that wrist
her
was.
digits. Her
Wow, that
wrist
felt
was out
good.
too. Yeah, exactly.
You never know what's wrong until you come here and get all straightened out.
A lot of people don't realize they have problems in certain
Yeah.
areas that we find. That's why I adjust the whole body.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hon, let's come over here and get your first ring dance. We're gonna lay you
Yeah,
on your
see
back
this.
here with your pelvis there.
Okay.
And now you get to experience it. For your very first time. We'll slide up just a little bit.
Right here?
Lydia's gonna be with us all week this week. We see patients that come in from out of state or out of the country twice a day for 4 days in a row to maximize the results of their time.
That's tight.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. I don't want you getting away.
Okay.
Now hold your pelvis in so I get a good decompression.
Okay.
Okay. See, she's got good reflexes. There we go. Okay. You're going to feel this under your chin and under your skull.
Okay.
Just keep your teeth together. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. And keep your teeth together. There you go. Now you should have felt that all the way down.
Wow.
Now that's a wow adjustment, all right.
Wow.
That's why we call it ring dinger.
Thank you.
Yeah. There. This is a Palmer diversified rotary brake. There you go. Excellent.
Wow.
You did really good on your first visit.
Experience.
Yeah. This
I
is
feel it.
three-dimensional care.
Yes. This is
On the
amazing.
x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. Okay, let's have you come over here and stand in front of the mirror for me now.
Okay.
Right here. Now I get to shoot you. This is what this is, a little high velocity, low amplitude adjusting instruments, a little tap.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards. And your range of motion's already improved. And look in the mirror right now, neutral. You're not as twisted to the right as you were when you walked in. Here's your homework though. You're gonna lift up with your traps, pull back simultaneously with your rhomboids, flare these palms forward, see that tightens up your whole trap. Now here's the important part. Your head's forward, so we want to bring it straight backwards. And I need you
I'm gonna
to
have to
spread your feet a little bit further apart from me, honey.
like this.
And we're going to look kind of at the wall behind you. Try to look at the wall behind you. Yours is twisted to the right, so see what we're doing? And we're going to twist you left. Keep those shoulders pulled back for me. You're going to feel a little tap right there on the atlas. Another one right there on the atlas. Now relax.
Relax.
And this time when you flex your head forward and backwards, tell me if it feels any different to you, Lydia.
Wow. Wow.
Does it feel like I put a little WD-40 in there?
You did something.
Take a look in the mirror right now. See
I'm
how straight
looking.
you are?
Wow.
You're right straight down the middle everywhere.
Wow.
Look how much we got space in here now that we didn't have before.
Yes. I'm so happy.
Very good. So for all those veterans out there watching this,
No, I was crying.
has this been worth your trip from New York City so far?
Yes.
Is this what you saw on YouTube and expected?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Well, thank you for sharing your first visit here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, and welcome to Houston.
I don't make me cry.
Houston, we don't have a problem. All right, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home to Super Bowl 51. We'll see y'all soon.